genuinely starting to feel for Ruben. Like watching him walking up and down in the managerial box, screaming, shouting, giving instructions to the players, and it just looks like the players are not paying attention to him. They're not tracking back. They're not tracking the runners. They're not marking them in. When we have pole position, we're playing so fast. Why? Why are we playing so fast? Why? By playing at a rapid speed, we ended up losing the ball. That people, Everton, hit us on a counter attack, and boom, goal. How does a 10-man Everton score a goal against 11 players? How? So I just have a question. I wanna just get this off my chest. You guys can drop your opinions in the comment section, but I think Bruno Fernandes must be stripped from the captaincy, and it must be given to De Ligt. That's my honest opinion, and that's what I think. You're more than welcome to drop your opinions in the comment section, or answer that particular question. But I genuinely think that we need to make a plan with a captain. We need a captain that's got the similar traits and characteristics of a Roy Keane figure. This is what we need. We need a captain that is so vocal on the field that will make everyone nervous. That is the type of energy we need on the field. And we don't have that with Bruno. The final whistle is blown. Ruben walks onto the pitch. Everyone is shaking hands. Where's Bruno Fernandes? Was you arguing with the ref? For what? Bro, you lost. You lost to 10 men. Second most embarrassing moment of the season. First it was Grimsby, and now it's 10 men Everton. What's next? And I'm gonna say it. I've said it already, but I'm gonna say it again. Apart from Bryan Mbeumo, Matheus Cunha, Benjamin Sesko, and Patrick Dogo, I will not be fooled by these players. I will not be fooled by the rest of the squad. This players is not good enough. I was happy when Marcus Rashford, even though it was a loan, he was shipped out. Jadon Sancho, Garnacho got sold. I was happy. I'm not going to deny it. Because I look further than just the results. I want to see progress. I want to see the system coming to life. It's not just about, oh my God, 1, 2, 3 passes, cross, and it's a goal. Yes, it's about results. And you want your team to win, but if there's no progress in the team, if no one is fighting for one another, if no one is running and going the extra mile to get the ball back, then what's the point? What is the point? Then you might as well have kept Solskjaer or Ten Hag or whoever to play results football. But I want to see progress football. I want to see fucking performances that you just dominate. You're just ripping your flipping opponent apart. This is the type of football I want to see. And at the moment, I don't think we are even close to that with this crop of players. But nevertheless, drop your opinions in the comment section. I would like to hear what you guys have to say, what you guys think. And yeah, on to the next one. Ciao.